Hello, dear students. I, Dinesh Karmalkar, your computer teacher, welcomes you to JVM's New English School Kalwa online teaching classes. And today we will see our next practical of Standard 8th. Now, the objective of today's practical is today we are going to do revision of creating report using Report Wizard. We have seen before also how to create reports in Microsoft Access. There are different ways of creating reports. The first and the very easier way is Report Wizard that going to be here today. And now for this, the software requirements is as usual. You are going to use Microsoft Access 2016. You can use Microsoft Access 2019 also, but if you are using the lower versions like Microsoft Access 2010, then the steps will be slightly different. Let's see what we are going to do in today's practical. Of course, we are going to start Microsoft Access, and then we are going to create this student table, which will having these following fields: roll number, name, class, grade, marks, and address. For this, the details I am going to take from your book, which is given on page number 65. One that in the report subdata is given, around 5-6 records are given that I am going to type. Then you have to enter 5 records which I am going to type from page number 65, and then I will create the report using the report wizard. So first of all, quickly we will open our Microsoft Access blank database first. So I am going to create a blank database. I will give this name as student details. Then I will go to, now we have to create all this 6 fields. For that, of course, I will go to design view. I will give this name as student, table name as student. In the first field in our it is given roll number. For that I will use here number. Next is student name, short text, then class. We are going to use Roman letters for the class, so I am using a short text. Then grade. Grade will be in, again text will be required for grade, and then marks. And then it is given for that number. Marks of course will be number, and the last field it is given in this is the address. In this only the city name will be there. For that I am going to take short text only. So these 6 fields are given here. You can see roll number, name, class, grade, marks, and address. And for that I am going to take the data from the page number 65 of your book. So first of all, let's type that record. The 6 records, 5 records are there that I am going to type. For that I will save this table and I will open in this data sheet view, and here I will type that roll number 1. No, here roll number is given is here 1014. That only I am going to use. Student name, whatever given that I am writing here. Class is given in Roman letters. Grade A. In the address only the city name is written. And second is that is letters are very small, so difficult to see. 7th. Then grade here. Remember this is grade and not the division. Day marks will be 78. is A. Grade is here C. And the fifth record is given here. So all these 5 records are given in the book. So now we will see, once our data is been done, now we will see slowly how to create the data, this report, sorry. For this we are going to create reports. Just for the variations we will create 2-3 reports. So how the report will look, but today we are going to see all in the report wizard and what are the options in the report wizard. So for that the steps, look very carefully. This is the typing work. You can see students we are done. Now for this we have to go to click, you have to create. The first step will be click creates. Create, in that create you can see there are different groups, the templates, tables, queries, forms, reports. So we have seen forms, we have seen how to do form wizard and with the form design, and we have seen the queries also, query wizard and query design, both these options we have done. Tables we already know, table design, and this we are not used SharePoint, this is out of our syllabus. But queries we have finished the reports. Now we will come to this group here for reports. Basically it is having 5 different options. You can see a report tool, then report design, blank report, report wizard, and labels. Today we are going to focus on only one thing, that is report wizard. We are going to see what are the different options which are given in the report wizard and how easily we can create the report with the help of report wizard. So our data has been created here, all the 5 records we are done. We can add more records also, and we have taken around 6 here fields. 6 fields because so that it will accommodate in our one screen, that's why I taken 6 fields. So let's click here. After creating, click create here and then go to report wizard. Now step by step one wizard screen will come here, in which we have to just do the select. Now here we will show all the available fields. It is not necessary to make the reports of all the 6 the fields. For the timing, here we can take all 6 fields. Now to select that, I can take it one by one like this. I can go one by one like this, all 6 I can take, and to take it back I have to press this sign. So this will go one by one behind. If by mistake any field we are entered here that we have to take it back, then you have to click this option. If you are entering one by one, you have to click this one, and for taking it back you have to click like this. And suppose if you want all the fields, then double this, you can see double arrow, this comes here, and to take all this back, double arrow, you can take all this here. So I am, for the timing, I am taking all the fields, I am selecting all the 6 fields. So I will click this double arrow, so all 6 fields are coming in. Then I will click next here. Then in this you can see you can add different grouping here. Now for the timing I am not taking this option. First let's see very simple report which is in straight line, will not do any grouping. Afterwards we will see how you can do different groupings in these reports. So I will click next here. In this you can sort the records up to 4 fields. You can sort the record according to roll number, according to name, then according to the class, then according to the marks, grades, whatever you want from that according to. For the timing I am not sorting these fields, that we will not see. We just keep whatever as it is. The way we have typed already, we have done in the ascending order only. You can see the roll numbers 101415. It is not, records are sorted that way, so we are not going to take any option in this. Just will simply click next here. Now in this there is a layout and there is a orientation. Now you can portrait in the vertical form, you can get a landscape, you can get in the horizontal form. both you can see from here. It is horizontal form, it is portrait here. We will keep portrait for the timing and check whether all the fields are coming here. And here we can take this tabular form only. Columnar will come like this. This is justified also, and this is tabular. For the timing I am going to keep tabular, which is the default option selected here, and portrait, which is also a default option selected here. Whatever the default option, that only I am going to take first. And you can see here one more thing is there, which is a check mark is going to adjust the field width so all fields fit on the page. This is also very important. So if anything fields going outside the page, it will be automatically adjusted. So that is also check mark is required, but everything is by default done here, so nothing to do here. Just you can read all these things and then click next here. Now in this last thing, it is given there, you can preview the report or modify the report design, but the report is a very advanced form that we are not going to see today. Today we are going to do reports only with the this one with the wizard here. So this is student, so I will this student report 1 I will give here name. You can give different name to reports. I'm going to give the student report 1 because we are going to create for the same database, we are going to create different reports in different ways. So this is report student report 1. I'm going to click here finish. So this is the report I am getting here. Everything is getting here, marks, grade, class, roll number, all these things it is coming here. Slightly here roll number is here not getting because here these fields were more here. So all that we can with this whichever this RN I am not coming, that can be adjusted in the report design, but we are done it with the wizard. So in this we cannot adjust anything. So that's why this is the limitation I can say for this. So this is the easiest way of making the reports with the help of a report wizard. In this there is, I told you before, only there is no flexibility. You can see here you can get here the student report 1, that is the title you are getting here, then these 6 headings we are getting here, and this the 6 records, and then down you can see there is the date, and here the page number all is coming here. So I'm going to close this, and you can see here this is a design here which you can for timing I am adjusting just so that R should come here. See, now R is coming. So this is we are not, this is not is the wizard, and here marks little bit I will adjust so that you can get the heading of marks. And now I will save this and I will close this, and now I will double click this. So now you can see roll number and marks I am getting properly here. But that what I done was in the report design, which we are not the part of this. Generally in the report wizard, whatever you are getting, that only we are using. Now we will use this whatever the database which we have, that we are going to use for different wizards also. Now let's do by some other ways. And now let's again go to create. Now first I will open this database. Okay. Now in this I will go to create, and again I will take report wizard. Now I will take this roll number or all the fields I will take again, then I will click next. Then today this time we will see grouping. Now first I am giving 2 types of grouping I will give. First I will give roll number, then again I will give according to serial number. So roll number, serial number, and then 3 group of grouping. First the roll number will come, then serial number, and then different these 4 fields will come. I will click next. In this I will keep as it is, don't do anything in this. Now here 2 types, you are getting 3 different options. Now we are getting stepped, blocked, here outline. The first I will make it according to the stepped. Now here next, so I will student, I will write here stepped report, student stepped report, or I can use 2 number here. This is report 1, this is stepped report 2 here. Now I click next here. Now you can see it is a step report. You can see here roll number is coming, then below that it is the student name coming, and below that all these 4 records are coming. So it is stepped way you are getting. This is steps. You know the staircase steps, same way you can see it is a step wise. Yes, 0, 1, 4 roll number, below that 1 step is below we will getting student name, and 1 step below we are getting these 4 fields. So it is a stepped report, which is in which I done grouping. First group I taken is the roll number, second group serial number, and then after this 4 groups. So this is the another way of presenting the report. So you can see it more clearly than this. You can see it is in one line everything. Here you can see here in different ways. Now in that one more option is there in that step that I will see. Let's we compare this. Close this. I will close this also, and this also I will close. Now again I will take that create report wizard, take all the fields, click next. Here also again I will take two groupings. First for here again you can roll number and serial number, sorry, student name, and then this here kept as it is. Now I will take this blocked. If you take it is coming as it is same only. The more interesting is the outline form. In this outline, let's see how it is coming, and portrait. Now here I will give here outline report. This is report 3, so I will write here 3 and click the other. So this is the outline report you are getting. Here we can see individual record and the headings are coming individually for everything. So roll number, serial number, student name, then class, grade, marks, and yes, here roll number 1014, student name here coming Ajay. Then this is different. So for every record there are individual headings, and you can see you can easily distinguish roll number here and this all the records. So this is very elaborated form of showing the reports. Yes, roll number is one line, the student name in one line. These are the two steps here, two groups here. Sorry, here was first group is you are getting roll number, second group student name, and then in the last group you are getting these 4 fields. And you can see there individual headings you are getting for. You can see for every report this record there is a headings. You can roll number here, student name, again class, grade, marks here, which is not there in the report first. Here for every common headings were there. In the report 2 also the headings were common. You can see only stepwise records were there, but in the report 3 there are individual headings for everything. So this way, this is another variation we can see, which is the outline form. Let's close all these things. Afterwards I will show all in one line. I will go by, we'll see. Now other way is to I will take only a few things like roll number I will take, and I will take only the grade and marks of that class. I will take class, and I will take the grade of that. So this much 3 fields is enough. Now here grouping is I will not do. I will go directly here. Then ascendingly I will do according to the here class wise. I will keep it class wise ascending. I want class wise report, and then I will click next here. I will keep it tabular here. That is a better way to see. And next here and student report. This is the 4th report, and finish. Now you can see here class and roll number, and you can see I am getting here 9th, then 7th, and then 8th way. This I am getting this way. Here since the class is not there, it is not coming out in numbers. Here it is coming out the alphabets I, V, like that. So I is come first here, because even though we are written Roman letters, this 9 is a I, it is considered as a I. So I comes first in the, so it's sending order we are getting 9 first and not the 8th member here. So I, then V, and then this V we are getting here. So but we are grouped according to the standards. 9 is coming together, 7th is coming together, and 8th is coming together. Or we can create this report. We'll close this, and we will report this 4th report instead of doing with the help of I will take here roll number, then class, and then I will take marks. We'll do it according to the marks later day. Next, and according to the marks we will keep it now. So because marks is a number, so we can easily here as ascending we are getting here. We'll keep it according to descending. So marks I will keep it as descending. So we are getting highest marks first. So T3 marks is first roll number, and there it is. So roll number is 108, 83 marks, roll number marks is getting 83, roll number, and the class we are getting. So this way, another way of showing the report which in the sorting way. Remember the field which is taken for sorting is coming here first here. So this way we can create reports by different ways, and this all we can easily do with the help of the report wizard. Of course there are other ways which are more flexible, which will allow to do more things that we will see in this report and report blank report. All these different things we'll see today. Just we have seen the very easiest way, that is report wizard, and then let's see now what to do in the assignment question. In the assignment, whatever the today I given the database, that same database you do and enter 5 more records in that. I did 5, you make 5, total will be 10 records, and then create the report using the report wizard and try all the things which I shown you today. That you make the groupings, you can do. Then you can take very selected fields, that also you can choose. So all this, whatever the different ways I shown, all you can practice with the help of report wizard. So in the next practical, we will see some other features of reports. Till then, thank you very much.